Welcome back to Intables, everyone. So we had over 100% breakout today with GNPX in the Intables room. I'm going to go over exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to contain this momentum, which indicators will give us confirmation on a continuation from here. And all I ask in return for all of this is you smash that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that I mentioned throughout the week. Also, I do welcome you to the Intables room in the description below. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. We mentioned any halts that are worth looking at or any breakout alerts that are worth looking at throughout the day. Go to instables.com in the description below. You will never miss a breakout alert today again. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over the 5-minute chart with you guys here on GNPX so you guys can see exactly how this one broke out today. Then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which key levels we're trying to hold above and break above to continue on with this momentum. Now, before I continue, I do want to welcome again anybody that is interested in intraday perspective breakouts. We mentioned pre-market news before market open every single day. Most breakouts have been pre-market news in the open. We mentioned AMC this morning in pre-market at $4.30, jumping up to $8.68 on the day, over 100% on that breakout as well. And we also did mention GNPX from pre-market at about $1.45, jumping up to $3.83 going to extended hours, about 140% on that breakout. So to see all of these breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert today again. So jumping into the 5-minute chart with you guys here again, I did mention GNPX from pre-market at $1.45 on their FDA fast track approval for the Kohrs lung cancer drug. Again, this was huge for GNPX, especially at $1.45. Just almost an obvious breakout that we were going to have here. And as you guys can see, again, we did have this spike this morning, looking for this continuation on momentum. As you guys can see, we did have the 20 moving average holding over the 50 here, showing us that we could continue. And sure enough, getting this increase in buy pressure here, giving us this confirmation on momentum, giving us this large spike that we had here, looking for a continuation. Again, we still had the 20 moving average holding over the 50 here on the 5-minute chart. So we were looking to see if we can continue. And as you guys can see, we did cool down here. We did have this increase in sell pressure, but as you guys can see, we still had these EMA lines above the MACD here, showing us that we still could continue. Again, I have been going over that multiple times here on the channel. And also with the 20 moving average still holding over the 50, showing us that we still could continue, especially with FDA fast track approval on a lung cancer drug. Just an amazing breakout that we had here with this volume. As you guys can see, we had this increase in volume. We did jump over $3 at this point. I did not mention this alert at this point in time because, as you guys can see, we had this increase in sell pressure. We had the EMA lines crossing down here, but as you guys can see, the 20 moving average held over the 50, even though we did drop down below the 20, bounced off the 50 here, jumped back over the 20, and was looking for that increase in momentum. And as you guys can see, we did get that increase in buy pressure, continued to increase in buy pressure, also got this increase in volume, breaking above all of our previous volume points throughout the day, giving us that next leg up. So that's exactly what I would have been looking for here on GNPX. Now the question from here is, do we have the momentum that we're looking for to have a continuation from here? I'm going to jump back to the 4-hour chart so you guys can see exactly which levels we're trying to hold above to have this continuation. So I'm going to use the VPVR here. This is the volume profile, showing us the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. As you guys can see, we are testing one of the largest peaks that we have here on our volume profile, the most amount of volume that was traded within the stock's time period. So we are testing a very key level, looking to see if we can hold over $4 going to pre-market is what I would be looking for. And then looking to see if we can hold over this 450. As you guys can see, our next peak up 450, a very key resistance that we had multiple rejections from previously on this stock as well. And as you guys can see, we did have our continuation on down from here as well, having a gap down and continuing on down. So that's going to be a very key point for us here at 450. And we have our key psychological resistance here at $5 that we always need to make sure we do consider as a key psychological resistance. Leading into $5, I would be looking to see if we can break over $5 with continuation volume. I want to see if we can break above that volume that we had going into today on the 5-minute chart and break over that $5 mark. Again, to jump into that momentum that we're looking for, to jump over this $5 mark, I'm going to jump back to the 5-minute so you guys can see that kind of momentum that we have. As you guys can see, we have this increase in buy pressure today, getting multiple rejections almost exactly at the same point. So we're going to be looking to see if we can break above all of this momentum today, leading into $5 and leading into that $4.50 strong resistance. I definitely would be looking to see if we can break over $5 and break above all of our buy pressure points that we had today on these continuations to have more momentum here on GNPX. And to conclude here, if you guys do want to set alerts here on TradingView, you go over the plus sign here on the MACD, you click add alert, and you can put that alert right above your previous buy pressure point, so that way if it does break above it, then you will be alerted as soon as that does happen. Again, setting our alerts right above our previous buy price once is very key to make sure we do get confirmation on more momentum in our breakouts. And again, making sure we do justify every one of our breakouts is going to stay extremely key here on this channel every single day. And again, with that said, I do welcome you to the Instabulls room. If you happen to be interested in intraday perspective breakouts, go to instabulls.com in the description below, and you will never miss a breakout alert threaded again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, all of you Instabulls that have been coming over from the room and supporting the channel, I appreciate every one of you guys. Much love to every one of you guys every single day. I hope you guys did enjoy today. What an amazing day it was today, really. An amazing day it was today. And again, if you guys do like this video, it does help to refine it, and it does help the channel grow, and I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.